welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video is another unboxing video where I'm going to be unboxing my order review. So that's right, I recently made an order online on Shein website and I thought I would unbox it with you. I'm really excited to open it and also to show you what I've ordered. But before I go on, my name is Tare, and if you like videos like this, then please subscribe, turn on your bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos going forward. Okay, now to the unboxing. So I've got the order here. Okay, you can see that it's quite big, and I've also got my scissors with me. Okay, so I'm going to be opening it and then we can see what's in it together. Okay, let's go. And many of you already know that I'm not the most patient person when it comes to opening parcels, so I'm just going to rip it up like I always do. Okay, so the first thing we've got on here is this. Okay, so let's say it's a jumper, okay, that I ordered. So it's fastly coming to the winter season. So it's autumn now, but winter is fast approaching. So I thought I'll order some jumpers just to get myself prepared. And look at that. It is absolutely beautiful. I think I might just try it on for you to see as well. But look, it's absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful one. I saw it online and I fell in love with it, and I thought I'll order it, getting myself prepared. Okay, so the next thing I've got is, so that is a dress, okay, again for the winter season. So you can see I'm getting myself prepared. So this is just the jumper dress again for the winter season. Okay, so that's that one there. Okay, we've also got this is, I think this is a top. Hold on, let's check what this is. You know, sometimes you make an order and you don't know what you ordered anymore. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, this is a night dress that I ordered for myself, and it simply says, "Let me sleep." Okay, so that's that one, "Let me sleep." So it's a night dress, which I'm not going to try for you to see, obviously, okay, for obvious reasons. Okay, I've also got, so this is a top which I might try for you to see. Okay, so this is just a top. This is not winter or anything, it's just a normal casual outing top. You can see that for yourself. Okay, so that's that one. I've got another top which I love this top so much. When I ordered it, I've ordered the blue and white, and I saw this color and I thought I have to order it as well. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the color. So it's black and orange. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that's that one there. I'm gonna try them on just to make sure everything is nice. And that is another night dress. Let's have a look. So it's a set of night dress, so pajama bottom and top. Okay, so that's my night dress, which I'm now gonna try for you to see, like I said before. Okay, and I've got, this was so important. So this was the reason why I had to order it, because I put it in my basket. I put one in my basket, and before I knew it, it was gone. So I had to put another one in before it gets finished as well. Okay, like you know, like I said before, it's coming to winter, and this is what we wear in winter. Look at that. See how beautiful that is. Okay, so I didn't want to miss it, and I thought I better order it quickly before someone else gets it. Okay, so that's that one. That's the other pair. That's the second thing. So there you go. There you go. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Okay, and the last thing on this, which is my new love, is just these flowers. Okay, so this just goes into my flower vest. I already have a vest that has flowers in. Artificial flowers, so I'm just going to add this to it to make it a bit fuller and more colorful. Okay, but that's it. Okay, so I'll try the clothes on for you now so you can have a look and tell me what you think. This is the top. You can see how beautiful it looks. It looks really beautiful, and it's very thick as well, so it's going to be very warm for me when winter comes. This is one of the tops that I ordered. You can see it's free and casual. Okay, so this is going to help me now that it's still a bit warm. It's not very cold yet. So So this is going to come really handy when I'm going to the office or even when I'm going to church. This is the second top. Like I said, I ordered the white and blue and I really liked it, and I thought I'll order this one because I absolutely love the color. It's the boots. Okay, you can see how beautiful it looks. So it's an ankle boot. It's not a full boot because I like ankle boots. I find them more comfortable to wear. I've got high ones, but I thought I'll get ankle ones this time. Last but not least, this is the jumper dress. Okay, absolutely beautiful. I can wear it with a higher boot if I want to, but this is how I'm going to style it. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. So every single item I've bought, I absolutely love them. I know they're going to come really handy for me as we move into the winter month. So that's it for today. That's everything I ordered apart from these two night dresses which I said I was going to show you, and of course my flower which I've added to my flower vase. Okay, well that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.